Hey everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 408 Ford 490 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1993 Mustang Coupe. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we have the 408 Ford Stroker, double roller timing chain in there, brand new timing cover, roller lifter camshaft, aluminum cylinder heads are on there, all the roller rock arms fully adjusted and set. Oil pressure extensions on there for easy hookup, brass freeze plugs, correct oil pan for the Fox Body Mustang, oil stick and tube, Taylor ignition wires, American made, all the wire markers are on there, Ford Racing valve covers, distributor set in place, all the wire markers again on there. We have the Holley EFI high ram intake manifold with the 92mm throttle body on there. Fuel injectors are set in place, all the Holley EFI fuel rails, all the Russell fuel lines are ran. We have the return lines all plumbed in the rear here, going back so the customer can hook up his fuel pressure regulator. All the manifold vacuum fittings hooked up for easy hookups. Correct automatic flex plate for the customer's 4R70W trans. Correct tooth count and balance for the 408 Ford. PCV ventilation line on there. This real nice Raptor black serpentine pulley kit. We have the 8-rib serpentine belt, heavy duty, self-tensioning belt tensioner on there. High flow aluminum water pump. 1-wire 160 amp alternator on there, right there. Power steering pumps on there. So this way you get it complete, ready to go. Again, our 408 Ford 490 horsepower package with the Holley EFI high ram intake manifold setup. Thanks for watching.